Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, we turn our attention to Brazil, where a troubling trend emerged over the past few days regarding medical device submissions. Multiple international companies have been facing unexpected rejections from ANVISA, Brazil's health regulatory agency. The root cause is not simple administrative error, but a deep misunderstanding of the new regulatory framework, RDC 751/2022. This resolution was intended to harmonize Brazil's requirements with global standards, specifically the IMDRF framework. However, its implementation has revealed several hidden traps for manufacturers. The core of the issue lies in the technical dossier. Many companies assume that if their documentation is compliant with the European MDR or FDA requirements, it will suffice for Brazil. This assumption is proving to be a costly mistake. The news from last week indicates ANVISA is applying intense scrutiny to the substance of the files, not just the structure. For example, a major pain point is the Clinical Evaluation Report, or CER. Under the previous regulation, existing clinical data was often accepted without deep analysis. Now, RDC 751 demands a robust CER that critically appraises the data in the context of the Brazilian market and its specific patient populations. Companies are failing to provide this localized analysis. Another critical failure point is the classification of device families. The concepts of grouping, known as agrupamento, versus creating a set or kit, known as conjunto, are nuanced. We have seen cases where a company incorrectly bundles accessories under a single registration, leading to an immediate technical rejection that can set back their market entry by months. Furthermore, labeling and instructions for use, or IFUs, are being meticulously cross-referenced with the technical dossier. Any minor inconsistency between the risk management file and the warnings listed in the IFU is being flagged. One North American company producing diagnostic imaging software learned this the hard way last week. They faced a rejection because their risk analysis for software cybersecurity did not precisely match the user warnings outlined in their submitted Portuguese IFU. These are not just checklist items. They represent a fundamental shift in ANVISA's expectations towards total product lifecycle management. Navigating these changes requires more than a simple translation of existing documents. It demands a proactive strategy that addresses the specific expectations of Brazilian regulators from the very beginning. Understanding these unwritten rules is now the key to successful market access in Brazil. This is precisely the kind of complex, localized challenge that can make or break a company's expansion into Latin America. For expert guidance on aligning your technical dossier with ANVISA's latest expectations under RDC 751, you can contact the team at Chen-Global. Please feel free to email them at info@pureglobal.com or visit their website at pureglobal.com for more information.